Hey, I'm Chef Jenner Tomaska, and I'm partnering with the team at Levinson for the Reveals program. I'm going to show you guys how to elevate your at-home dining and drinking experience. Last year, their team invited me out to LA to host a collaborative dinner series. My background is fine dining, specifically hosting events like this. So the team and I, we spent a good amount of time curating a playlist that didn't just focus on the food, but really highlighted the quality of the sound system. I've spent a lot of time doing events like this, and for the first time, the whole thing really felt complete, and it all had to do with the sound system. It was crazy. Needless to say, the detail and the quality that they put into this is really similar to how I approach food, and very relatable to my field. I hope you guys enjoy what we're gonna do today. We're gonna listen to some music, we're gonna head to the market, pick up some product. When we get back, I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome cocktail that we get to sip on while we cook dinner tonight. So let's get going. So we just got back from the market, and before we put away our groceries, I always love to make a cocktail. It kind of helps alleviate the painful process of doing that. One of my favorite cocktails, especially during the summer, is the gin and tonic. Super straightforward, super simple, can be easily replicated at home, and with a few extra details, you can make it really special.
So I'm making this?
Of course. Tell me what you want me to cut for you.
Some apricot.
Apricot?
Orange, and some lemon zest.
Great.
How many pieces of juniper do you think?
Just a couple, 2 or 3. So traditionally, a gin and tonic is 2 parts tonic to 1 part gin. I like to make mine a little more diluted. You can drink more of them, I guess.
So you want to drink more of them?
Yes.
Got it.
Squeeze that over the top.
You just dump it in?
Yep.
Okay.
So and then...
Oh, that's to garnish. Never mind,
Yeah,
right? I'm waiting, right?
No, go ahead.
I can do it now?
Yeah.
I would like rosemary.
Yeah, just right in there.
Oh, that's lovely.
So you'll often see it done like this when you're pouring in your tonic. They'll tend to pour it over the spoon, and it's said to aerate and cause more carbonation.
Oh, that makes sense.
The devil's in the details. Some beautiful lettuce for our pesto, some tongue beans, some turnips and radishes, some nice farm eggs. First thing we're going to be making tonight is our tortilla española. Pretty straightforward, minimal ingredients. We're just going to need some Yukon Gold potatoes, garlic, some farm eggs, as well as thyme. Very traditional dish of baked eggs and potatoes. It's great to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So let's start cooking. So first we're going to start with peeling our potatoes. So you can either use a mandolin or slice the potatoes by hand. I kind of prefer using the mandolin. It gives you a more uniform slice. You want to be careful when you get close to the edge so you don't cut your fingers. So we have some oil here in a pot. We're going to cone feed our potatoes or slowly poach them in oil, as well as some garlic. You're going to want to make sure you break down your garlic before you put it into your oil. And then just a few sprigs of thyme. And then we're going to cook that on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. So our potatoes are cooked, par cooked. They're nice and tender. So we have 3 eggs here. We just want to lightly beat those. And then while we're mixing, I'm going to put on one of our cast iron skillets. I like to season our eggs while they're in the bowl. Toast it in the pan. Some salt and pepper. And then we're going to add half of our potatoes. Lastly, we're going to pick some thyme. Just use your fingers to tear it. So we have our cast iron pan skillet here. It is quite warm. We're going to want to give it a generous amount of oil. Layer some of our potatoes. As you can see, the eggs are starting to slightly cook around the edges. What I actually want to do is return that to the stove over a low to medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to finish it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 7 minutes. So our tortilla's in the oven. While that's cooking, we're going to assemble a easy pea pesto. And we're going to do this in the mortar and pestle. We're going to add our garlic as well. So our tortilla just came out of the oven. As you can see, it's nice and caramelized on the outside and then slightly wet in the middle. Your plate and reverse it, and then flip it just like you would a cake or anything else. We're gonna dress it with some sherry vinaigrette. A nice pile of our pea pesto and radishes that we got from the market as well. I'm sorry, turnips. So let's dig in. So you can see our tortilla is nicely cooked. You can see those layers of potato. Cheers.